I broke my crown. So backstory, I have a really bad like grinding problem in my teeth. This is the second time this has happened. It's called Bruxism, basically grinding your teeth. One of the reasons I do this is because I'm not getting the right oxygen level when I am sleeping. I've been taping my mouth for like 6 months now. And my doctor said like taping your mouth is fine. It's usually something in your nose. So I'm not getting the correct oxygen level in my nose. I'm still gonna mouth tape because the benefits are astronomical, especially for your jawline and your oxygen level. Click the link right here. Just bought these, they're fire.